I'll be sharing a really interesting topic, which is close encounters. Close encounters? What does that mean? Well, you may have wondered sometime or the other that, are we alone in the universe? This is one of the greatest unanswered questions. But yes, the universe is really big, and it may be teeming with life. Scientists think that there are more than 4,000 worlds which could support life, and their motto is follow the water, as they think that where there could be liquid water or any liquid substance, there could be life. And we have discovered many planets like this. Not only planets, but even moons. Some of these planets are exoplanets, which means they are not a part of our solar system. And some of these exoplanets are from the Goldilocks zone, a zone which is neither too hot nor too cold to support life. So, how many exoplanets might support life, you may be wondering. Well, scientists think more than 4,000 exoplanets could support life. And one of them is Kepler 452b, which is just like an Earth-like planet. It looks just like an Earth, and that is why it is called Earth 2.0. But it's just a little big in the size than our home. So, why haven't we met any aliens yet? You may be wondering. Because space is a big place. The universe is really big. To travel to our nearest star, it takes thousands of years with the modern space ship. And also, it is an impossible task, at least for now. What about closer to home? Where? Like London? Oh, you mean in our solar system? Well, Mars was considered as a top candidate because once NASA found a really strong evidence of flowing water. But some people think that there used to live Martians on there. And also, anything that lived on the red planet is long dead. And now, as I mentioned before, scientists are turning their attention to the planet's moons instead of the planets. So, which of the planet's moons might support life? Europa, one of Jupiter's many moons, has a thick frozen surface, and scientists believe there is an ocean over there. So that is one candidate. The second moon is Enceladus. It is one of Saturn's many moons. It has also frozen surface just like Europa. The spacecraft Cassini is traveling over this moon to find out if there could be liquid water under it. They're finding it through its lasers. But last but not the least, Titan, the Saturn's biggest moon, hides a liquid ocean of methane. And I'll tell you one thing, if life existed here, it would be truly an alien. And one more thing I forgot to say. An institute called the SETI Institute is researching for alien life. SETI uses powerful dishes to track alien life. But still we haven't found alien life. But that did not stop SETI from researching. So friends, this is the end of my today's video. Hope you like my video. Now we'll have to wait till we found any aliens or human life. Till then, bye and thank you.